Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about set. This is one of the data type in Python. Sets and sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Uh, and in these sets, we can store any data type like a list data type or tuple or any integer, float value and boolean value, complex value, any value we can store in these sets. And it is a ordered nothing but like it is a not a sequence and unchangeable, and this is immutable, like we cannot modify like and and it does not allow duplicate values. This unchangeable nothing but like uh, like that immutable, what we call, for example, in a set 1 2 3 4 5, and when we want to modify the like, like in the list we performed that by accessing the value and we updated the value like that, we are unable to change that value. Okay, no, like we can uh, use by using like we can represent by using these brackets, curly braces, or else by using the set method. Using the curly braces we can represent, I will just here using the curly braces. Like this is the representation of the set, and I am printing this set, as well as we can represent like this also, set of and list or any other format. So the output will be like this. And whenever we want to add an element to that set, we can, by using the add method, we can able to append the value to that set value. We don't have append method, and by in the list we are using the append, and in the tuple we saw that place of that element in the, and in the brackets we used the element what we want to add. Now, other than that, in the set we use this, by using the dot add method we can able to add the value to the set. Now we are printing that set of 1 2 3 4, and removing an element. For example, if we want to remove an element 1 2 3, so if we want to remove of 2, it will remove the 2 value and it will display the 1 3. Okay, and it will display 1 3. Discard the element. Discard the element also similar. There is no now we are removing the 3. So the output will be 1 2. Discard we use pop remove, and pop in the here randomly it will select pop, means like my set of 1 2 3, we are using the pop. So the output will be 2 2 3, like whenever we in the set we get the 2 3, the pop, whenever we do the pop, it will, the first element it will be moving, removing. Okay, clean the for clearing the set, we have to use this clear method and the dot clear, and it will be it will remove all the values in the set and it will give the empty set. And set operations, in the set operations, like we have a union, intersection, and difference and symmetric difference. How it will be performed, I will show you now. Set A, set B. So in the set A, we have the 1 2 3, and set B 3 4 5. And this is the union operator. This symbol is the union operator. And whenever we perform the set A union operator and the set B, the values will get whatever the values is present in the A, and whatever the value is present in the B. combine by combining it will get the result like this 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4 5 like this it will get. And uh, in the intersection what it will do, set in the set A and the set B, this is the intersection operator in the Python. And common element in the set A and the common element in the set A and set B, it will give the result intersection set, like from the set A and from the set B, 3 is the common, right? So it will give the result as set 3. And the difference is set A contain 1 comma 2 comma 3 and the set B contains 3 comma 4 comma 5. Set A minus set B, this is the difference. We whenever we perform set A minus set B, the values are like whatever the values present in A but not in B. Uh, so it will give the 1 comma 2. So 1 3 like from the set A 1 comma 2, it will give the result because the value is from value in the set A is 3 is present in the B. So it will not be the output is only will take 1 comma 2 only. And the symmetric difference is nothing but opposite of uh, uh, the intersection, opposite of intersection. There we are uh, taking the common element, right? Instead of common element, uh, uncommon elements, so we will print here in the set A has 3 and set B has 3 is the common element. Other than the common element, we get the output like 1 2 4 5. That is the symmetric difference. And membership testing. Membership testing we also saw in the tuple, right? So this is whenever 2 in my set. If 2 is present in the set, it will give the result true. Uh, for example, not only 2, if it is 1 is present, the values will check like uh, if it is 1 is present in the set or 2 is present in the set, whatever the value we want to check in the set, if it is present, it will give the result true, otherwise false. If it is 4 is not present in the set, it will give the false. Like that. True and false, it will give it is written as removing the duplicate from a list. So suppose if you want to remove a values duplicates, 2 is present 2 times and 4 is present 2 times. Suppose if we want to remove the duplicates and we want only the unique elements, at that time just by setting using the set method, set of my list, it will give the unique elements, set of 1 2 3 4 5. Allows this is I mentioned starting, like it does not allow the duplicate allows duplicate, it does not allow, do not allow the duplicate values. This is what here, this is the example of that. It is 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 2 3 4. 2 is repeated 2 times, 4 is repeated 2 times. So whenever we use set, it is given as output 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. This like set operations. Like, previously we saw the symbols, right? Set a union, like this also we can perform. There, this is like this up, like this way we wait. Uh, like this way in the union operator we here use it like this, and if our intersection is we use it like this, and difference for minus, and symmetric difference for like this. So we can also use by using these methods also, union and intersection and difference and symmetric difference. By using this also we can perform set A dot union of set B, set A intersection of set B, and set A difference of set B, and like this. like this also we can perform. So we get the output same as the previous. And finding the common elements in the multiple list. List A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. List 2 has 3, 4, 5, 6. List 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here common elements. How we can perform this common elements and that thing. I will show you here. I will explain. Uh, Here in the set of list 1, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So here uh, from the end set to set of list 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the common elements? There are 3 comma 4 is the common element from this. Okay. And 3 comma 4 is the common element from this list 1 and list 2. And set 3. This is set 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 3 comma 4 and 4, 5, 6, 7, which is the common element. This 4 is the common element. So it will be printed. Uh, I hope uh, this notebook is understand like what in the top set data type. So whatever the most used commands and methods I explain now, and this is unordered, and this is unchangeable. That means immutable, not modifiable, and does not allow the duplicate values. And what and these are the operations. And thank you for watching. If you like this particular video, please like, share, and subscribe. And